Today we'll talk about the largest birds on Earth, ostriches. When did they appear? How did they manage to survive millions of years of evolution? And why do they still amaze scientists today? Ostriches belong to the order of flightless birds called ratites. Their ancient ancestors lived more than 60 million years ago, shortly after the extinction of the dinosaurs. At that time, giant flightless birds already existed, united under the name paleognaths. Modern ostriches appeared in Africa about 20 million years ago. Their closest fossil relatives, birds of the genus Struthio, were also found in Asia and Europe. As the climate became drier, ostriches gradually adapted to life in savannas and deserts. They lost the ability to fly but developed incredible speed, up to 70 kilometers per hour, about 43 miles per hour. Ostriches also have the largest eyes of any land animal, almost 5 centimeters across, which helps them see predators from a great distance. As early as ancient Egypt, ostrich feathers were a symbol of power and justice. In the Middle Ages, they decorated coats of arms and knights' helmets. Ostrich meat and eggs have also been used by humans as food for thousands of years. Ostriches are a living reminder of the ancient world. They appeared millions of years ago and still remain part of our planet today. These birds are an example of how evolution can turn a weakness, the loss of flight, into strength, opening new opportunities for survival.